it easy. Life be no easy for them.
Hey, mend them all.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
Take it easy
on the women. Life be no easy for them.
Hey, Mr. Secret Keeper, Shebi you sabi keep secret. Remember, say anything hidden will one day come out. Oh, it will come out one day. Tell your wife the truth.
This one will got come out yesterday. They come back this morning. And in face no just happy at all. Hey, I hope say wahala no be say wahala don't dey so. And months don't they end. I don't want story for my salary. Oh. Hey! Obiligwe! Hey!
I waited and was worried. But you chose to be somewhere else with your phones turned off.
I'm sorry, I just needed a place to clear my head. Too much on my mind.
I'm sorry if I pissed you off. It wasn't my intention. Just that the punishment was way bigger than the crime.
I'm sorry I had to leave like that, just that I didn't want to overreact. I love you, Chizaram.
I love you too, Ebuka.
Wait, hope this is not one of your jokes.
Not at all. I am telling you, she made the guy to stand on the line. I'm telling you.
That's it.
I don't know how to get to that.
What is going on here?
Oh, Mama, you're here. Welcome.
So finally you have given up your life. In the midst of Ngada wine, Ngada bro Ngada, or bro Ngada Musua. So you have finally gauged me your Ngada. Hey! Is that what you agreed? Mama, what?
You're just coming back. All you need to do is to sit down, have a little rest while my wife goes inside to prepare you something.
God forbid! I'd rather go on hunger strike than eat the food this witch prepared. Yeah? If you know the spell you cast on my son, start now to undo it this minute before I pounce on you.
Yes, Mama. Huh? I have tied your son in my witchcraft coven and I am not ready to undo it. So do your worst.
Mama, stop. Mama, stop, please.
Come and pass. You tied him. Come and pass, maybe time, yeah? So you allowed her this thing to overwhelm you. Okay, you must say Atogi. Hey, I have so far, though. Come and pass now. You tied my son.
Honey, talk to your mother. I am respecting her because of you. You know I'm supposed to be on my way to Chizara's place now.
It's okay. Just go inside. I'll meet you inside.
Can the evil one now? You have conspired with her, where? Mom told you to get up going to. Come across now. Who kissed you? Okay, we'll woman. Mama, I know. I know if you touch me, I'll slap your face. In Abuala. Idiot. You're not gonna number one. What you going to get? I was in Mama, honey. I was in Mama.
You know you didn't tell me what caused the problem between you and Zara that made you slept out last night.
I'm a married man, Luchy. It's not every misunderstanding in the family that should be shared, you know?
So this is what it has gotten into. Eh?
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to tell me what caused the problem, but then I should bring the settlement plan, eh?
When you get married, you will understand better. Now you can't relate.
Keep oppressing me. No, Ebuka, go ahead and oppress me. Eh? I will shock you one day.
I'm not oppressing you, I'm telling you the fact. When you get married, you will understand.
It's alright.
That not everything that happens in a family that you should come out and tell everyone. I mean, something needs to be, secret.
Well, it's alright.
Yeah,
I hear you. So, you plan taking her to Seychelles to settle out your differences?
Oh yes, I think she needs a temporary change of environment,
Mr. Loverboy.
Mm-hmm.
I think I like the idea though. I like it.
So that's the main reason you should hasten up with Bianca so you can join the league. And, at least now we are traveling. My guy go follow suit. Maybe so.
No be only Bianca. No, I for Mario Ojuko join now.
That was funny though. But why are you sounding this way though? I thought you said you love her. Huh? Now you tell me say you love her now. You love her so much. So why are you absconding?
My guy, just leave matter. Leave matter, just drive. I no get strength, I beg.
But on a second thought, my guy, you need to get married. It's about time, man. It's about time. Maybe everything be joke. It's about time. You need to settle down.
Oh, don't worry. I will shock you now. I'll shock you with the dates. Very soon.
Shock us up. You need it to. At least now, we're making the trips. Everyone will be happy.
You're right. Don't worry.
We'll be happy.
Don't worry. Very soon.
Oh my God.
Ebendo. Imay mami.
Baby.
Odimgbe. Outside. Inang
A baby. Asam. Omani-chan.
Oh. God.
You are very, very, very beautiful.
Hey. Nkomeni woke muma tutu. Karaba say muma say ima.
Ima.
Hey, get up.
Oh yeah, check up. Omani-chan.
It's eating me for my body.
Baby.
Who's the rough nose with rough sweet?
Love sweet, very, very,
Red
very.
berry. Ew.
Baby, you got another one. Don't. I love you so much.
Oh, baby. I love you well. Me, I love you past the way you rough me.
Your love is driving me crazy.
Ew. See the kind English way you speak. The rough of my life can speak English. So.
You see, anytime you're walking like this, I'll just be admiring all your backyard. Everything will make my head drive me more crazy. I'll say, this in the wood.
Now you're old now.
I'm feeling cold now.
After this one food, you will come down and I have food again. Yes, now you're on.
I'm so happy that you are here now. See, I will not even retire here.
Kumore yibami. Ufara mi kapirat. Oh, iya me. Baby, wait. Come. Na madness be this, I've been now waiting.
Ini! So na dream are the dreams?
Na nightmare.
So na dream. Hey! Ini! I talk am say you be witch. I talk am. See now, we be see the only time when something good and meaningful they happen to me. You carry your witch, come wake me up. God! It don't go better for you.
I don't see you where I've done better finish now. Your own life better well. I don't see. Okam maram. I don't see say your life really better. I don't know where Oka go see this kind of man. Come put it for his kid.
Ini, na calabar vulture like you for put for the gate so that you will know how it be.
No wahara at all. I just wait when Oka wake up find out say the water don't full for tank. The water dey go ta. You can know yourself.
See, Ini, not true. I'm not talking now.
No, come talk to Ini. Come talk because I be your mate now. You don't see me come from Vires. Nonsense. Idad.
Zara, the CCC gang is currently on a low. This group was a vibe before. I had to use words because our activities are no longer the way it used to be.
I think same too. See, let's face the facts, Sarah. You've been keeping to yourself lately. And it seems you are avoiding us.
Yes.
What's going on?
Why would I possibly be avoiding you girls? Like, I've had to deal with a lot lately. It's not been easy on me.
Come on, Zara. We are friends. You should share your problems with us. Yes. You should talk to us so we can help in any way we can.
I know. But this is personal. It's between my husband and I.
Was it a part of the reasons why you resigned from the office? Come on, Sarah. Talk to us. What is going on?
I share that sentiment. Sarah, my marriage would have hit the rock if I had done what you are doing right now.
Hold on. Were you having issues with Ikem?
Yes. I know you are unaware. I almost ended my marriage with Ikem. If not for the wise counsel of Chisum here.
This is better. Like eating that putty, your so-called more half wife, more half girlfriend, and it's cooking. This one is better. At least if I eat this one, I will not be initiated into witchcraft. But, Kelka, let me ask you, can't you get again? I thought you said you're good with this marriage. You don't want it anymore. What are you doing?
Yes, I said that.
No, I don't believe you. If you said that, why were you so clingy? As if you just found love. Just why were you doing that?
Mama, don't worry. I know what I'm doing.
No, you don't know what you're doing. From what I saw, you don't know what you're doing. Maybe she has bewitched you again. But you know me, I will not allow that to happen.
Mama, have you forgotten that her sister's husband is my grantor? And he will pull his support off me if I end the marriage now. I do not want to lose out in everything. I'm only treading with caution.
So is that what all this shenanigans is all about?
Yes, Mama. Do you think I will be a fool to go back to that woman again? Never. I am just plotting something.
Hey!
All this will gradually end pretty soon, very soon. Trust me. I know what I'm doing.
Listen, now you're talking like my son. I was wondering.
Not at all, Mama. Don't worry.
Oh.
I know what I'm doing.
Sarah, Ikem has changed for the better. Like he's a better man now, and our love has grown stronger. He no longer listens to the ill advices from his mother.
You know, it baffles me that Ikem could behave in such a manner. I thought he's a perfect gentleman.
Yes, he is. That was in the past. The most important thing now is that we're happy now. Yes, together.
I'm happy for you, Chloe. At least, yours has been resolved.
Zara, are you and Ebuka having issues?
No. We're good. No issues.
Are you sure?
Yes. Chisom, you know I was actually happy when I heard you were promoted. Trust me, you deserve it. Congratulations, darling.
Thank you. Thank you. But why does it feel like you are hiding something from us?
Nothing. What could I possibly be hiding from my best friends? We're good. I mean, my husband and I, we're perfect. As always.
Like, good.
Sure.
Baba, you will never change. Honestly, you won't change.
You want me to change? And a scorpion abandon its thinking threats. It is.
That's true, Baba.
Oh.
Mama, please, let me get us something to drink. I know you should stop taking this sugary thing.
No,
let me
get you know me now. I like to do things with
just
my clear eyes.
just a little, okay?
Ikem.
Hey, I bet I'll see you. I beg no vex. You get waiting I want to tell you.
I beg don't waiting you want to talk. I beg they very busy inside.
I know say since all this while me and you dey quarrel. That's why you don't like me. See, no be say I just dey quarrel with you like that now because I love you. And the only way where I can just express myself to you. That's why I say I dey quarrel with you because I don't know as I go to tell you how much I love you.
I beg. Like I talked before, I say I dey very busy. I beg. I don't get time for all this thing.
Yes, no vex. I know say you dey busy inside. That's why I just say make I quickly come tell you waiting in my mind. No vex, so you see,
now you get it, yo.
I did very serious, you know. I know the
I beg
joke.
if na yoke with this, I beg stop am.
No, I did serious. I love you well. From the first time where I see you, now my heart they beat for you. But I don't know as I go take express my feelings for you. I really from my mind, you know, I really love you well. I love you so much. But I don't just know as I go take talk am. That's why at times I go just dey quarrel you. Because you see, you thief my heart the first time where I see you. And I don't know as I go take do am. Say, I go take talk my mind to you. Say I love you well.
Yeah, me.
I beg, you fit marry me. I did very serious.
You want make I marry you?
Yes, I love you well. I beg, I want make you spend the rest of your life with me. I love you well.
Oh, Jess. Oh, Emigo.
I love you well.
I love you well. Look at the yeye man who proposed to me, I come accept. Quitting even make me dream that kind dream in the first place. Why I no see people like Oka, or that him fine friend, or governor, senator, or even president. Wait do? You sure say no be that news up whereby Naim make me dream that kind JJ cream. Ojes, Naim Kasam. No wonder if they draw picture of man and woman for a burial. Oh, make I go just strong detergent, take back this thing, come out for burial. Because na jama be that. Oh, no rubbish.
Hello, Chima. Have you been able to come up with the best excuse for my husband? Okay, perfect. You know what? Book an apartment with him now. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Bye. I have to do this. No more procrastination. I have to.
End-stage kidney disease?
Yes, madam.
Oh. Doctor, please tell me the truth. How bad is it?
Well, it's
Oh, shut up. Why do you want to know how bad it is? You want to confirm the severity of what you have done. As to know how bad it is to do more. Okay?
Madam.
Why are you asking? Are you good doctor?
Madam, please. You have to calm down. Alright?
I don't know what is going on, but I don't think her question is out of place. She has the right to know.
Doctor, you don't understand. Like you rightly said, you don't know. Allow me to handle this girl. I know why she wants to know. Why do you want to nibble, doctor? Eh? Want to know how bad it is? Which? Doctor, please, sorry. Please, doctor, what is the way forward? What do I do?
Transplant.
Huh?
He needs a kidney transplant. And considering the number of people on the waiting list at the moment for a deceased donor, a living donor will do him a world of good.
So, doctor, how do we get started? What do I do?
First and foremost, he must undergo a thorough medical evaluation to be sure he is healthy enough to undergo transplant surgery. Then we can get started if we can find a living donor. Or wait for the second option.
Doctor, please. How can we find a living donor? How fast can it be? Do you know anybody?
None for now, but the best and fastest way in this case is to get a volunteer from relatives or friends. Yes, but notwithstanding, we're still going to be on the lookout for other donors.
Don't worry, this is his wife. She can donate. What is love for?
Madam, I will leave you people.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Excuse me.
Is it not for better for worse? Green a yak and then go to designers, make go to Mabro. This time to work, prove your love. He's your husband. Honey, I cannot live without you. Honey, I love you. Give him one of your kidneys so that he can live. Show him love. Love is doing his action word. You're looking at me as if I said something wrong. Amosu.
Take it easy, hey. Take it easy, young women. Life ain't no easy for them. Hey, mend them all. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy on the women. Life ain't no easy for them. Hey, Mr. Secret Keeper, Shebi, you sabi keep secret.
Yeah, hello? Yeah, Miss Choma. How are you? I'm fine. We are fine. Oh, really? When? Oh, no. Tomorrow won't work for me. I have an appointment. Okay then. In that case, let me come right away then. Yeah, why not? I can just come.
Take it easy. Take it easy, women. Life ain't no easy for them. It no easy for them. Mend them all, mend them all. Take it easy. Take it easy, umuwake oh. Take it easy. Take it easy. On the women, oh. Life ain't no easy for them. Life ain't no easy for them, oh. Stop blaming her for everything. You self, you get your own blame, oh. Take it easy. Take it easy on her. Hey, mend them all, mend them all. Take it easy. Take it easy. Umuwoke.
Baby. Baby, please stop crying. I'll be okay. I'll be fine.
My love, I don't want anything to happen to you. I won't have a life without you. Please, you have to be okay for me. Sorry.
Sure, I'll be fine. Alright. You just have to get hold of yourself. Where's Mama?
Nah, I'm here, Onwam. Get up! Get out! Get out! Never! No matter what you do, supposed to have a private talk with my son. Unlike God, good day. Why are you holding him like that? Don't you know he's sick? Why are you choking him? You're wasting my time. Chloe, we're wasting my time. You be outside. Come and be inside my nose. Sorry, before I was really interrupted, I had a discussion with the doctor. The doctor said he had made some contact and there could be a donor sooner or later. But it won't come cheap. That means it will be very, very expensive. It's okay. Sorry.
Thank God, Mama. Mama.
Yes?
Please, I want to beg you for something.
What is that?
Can you please try to tolerate her?
My son, I want you to be well. Not to tolerate some kind of a witch. Just relax and have some rest. Oh, don't talk again. Please.
Tolerate her.
We are done talking about this. Just get some rest. Oh? Ona, it's okay. Everything will be fine. Oh? No.
Miss Choma. Did I hear you well? How do you expect me to allow my wife stay far from me for that long? How is that possible?
She has to, because she needs to heal from her sexual self. The major reason you brought her here in the first place.
Okay, and in that case, I have to go with her.
You don't get it, Mr. Ebuka. Do you?
Of course, I don't get it. You need to explain. Maybe I'm missing the point.
Mr. Ebuka, your wife needs to find herself. Her mind has been clouded with the thought of what happened to her. She needs some space so she can get it all free. But your presence is not allowing it.
Wait, I'm trying to get something here. Are you insinuating that I'm part of my wife's problem?
Far from that, Mr. Ebuka. Those thoughts have affected her. So your presence is bringing more unwanted, divided attention. She needs to focus.
This is going to be hard. I cannot picture my wife staying far from me for that long. It's hard. Very, very hard.
Maybe those solitary moments could be the key to unlocking your wife's sexual life. And when the thought is clear, then she will be lonely again. And that is it. You will have your wife back.
It is not fair how some women are treated badly. It is so unfair how some pay for the crime they never committed. Some men are so cruel and so wicked to them. Some ask for the impossible from her. They hold her responsible for everything. They blame her. It is so unfair. They don't even care.
It's obvious the meeting didn't end well as I earlier envisaged. God, please don't let him make things difficult for me. I need to make him move. I need to free myself from this emotional and psychological slavery.
Some women are victims of lies and deception. Some women are victims of impossible expectations. No. They are never right. They are always wrong in the sight of men. They get all the blame. They feel all the pain and shame. Chineke biko.
What do you come on, welcome, sir.
Because aputanyo. Ewo chukuna biko. Zaputanyo. Nakumu woke. Ewo chima. Fodo waina tafofo. Nakumu woke. Some women are suffering in the hands of men. They get all the blame and feel all the pain and shame. Ewo, obonye kai mejoro. Ewo, obonye kai mejoro. Ewo,
Why didn't you discuss this with me first?
Honey, I am sorry. I just felt the therapist would be in a better position to make you understand.
In that case, I have to go with you. Have I not been doing enough?
You have. But it's not just working for me. I have a problem. And I need to fix it. For me. For you. For us.
Can I, at least, go with you? I will try to be invisible as much as I can.
Honey, can you? Is it even possible? Can you be with me and act like I do not exist? Can I even do the same?
I need time to think things through. And staying alone will help me do just that. Please.
So, when are you leaving?
Tomorrow or next.
Tomorrow? So, where exactly are you going to?
This has to be a secret. So you don't invade me.
Deep down, I'm not really cool with all these plans.
Like I said, don't worry. I'll be fine. I am going to give my location to someone in case of eventuality. Please, let me just do this. Please. I need it. I need it. You know I need it. Please.
It is not fair how some women are treated badly. It is so unfair how some pay for the crime they never committed. Some men are so cruel, so wicked to them. Some ask for the impossible from her. They hold her responsible for everything. They blame her. It is so unfair. They don't even care. Chineke biko zoputanyo nakamu woke. Ụfọdụ ụmụ nwanyị na-ata afụfụ nakamu woke. Some women are suffering in the hands of men. They get all the blame and feel all the pain and shame. Ewo obonye kai mejoro. Onye kai mejoro. Ewo. Some women are victims.
Why is she not picking calls now?
Of lies and deception. Some women are victims of impossible expectation. No. They are never right. They are always wrong in the sight of men. They get all the blame. They feel all the pain and shame. Chineke biko. Some women are suffering in the hands of men. They get all the blame and feel all the pain and shame. Ewo obonye kai mejoro. Ewo onye kai mejoro. Some women are suffering in the hands of men. They get all the blame and feel all the pain and shame. Ewo obonye kai mejoro. Ewo
How is it today?
Stable. That's what the doctor said.
What about the donor? Any luck yet?
No luck yet, but we are still searching. But the doctor assured us that they are going to try and get someone for us.
Don't worry, he'll be fine.
Yes, he will be fine. Did the MD ask of me?
No, he's not even in town. He called this morning that he had an emergency.
Thank God.
So you're safe.
Thank God. What about Chizara? Have you heard from her? I tried calling her number was switched off.
Same here. I got worried, so I had to go visit her. Getting there, Ebuka said she traveled.
Traveled?
Yes.
So where?
I wouldn't know. Ebuka couldn't even give me a definite answer. From the look of things, I don't think he knows her whereabouts. Look, I'm beginning to think that all is not well between them.
Hey. Hey. I refuse to believe. Ebuka and Chizara look inseparable to me. So, I don't understand where this is coming from.
Inseparable. Or so we thought. I started noticing pain since they got married. The way she behaved, the way she kept to herself. Then she resigned. Now this. I think something is wrong somewhere.
You know what, Chisom? We have to do something about this. You know, Chizaram is our friend. We have to be there for her.
Yeah.
So, we have to find out what the problem is.
That is if she let us in. You know her. She likes to keep to herself. But we'll try our best. That is why we're friends. Try.
Honey, thank you. Honey. Open up. That is it. Honey.
All the time they sleep.
Who goes there?
So your work for this house now to sleep all the time.
Who's that?
Now your duty for this house be this. I mean your duty now to secure this place.
Now you promise for this place? When you tell me that kind of question, you ask me that kind of
I
question.
don't even get your time because as you talk now, Yawari. Yawari where?
Any? Which kind of yawa?
Okare fix for you. Okare fix like this for you. In fact, since I come this house, I never see Okare fix like that for you, right? In just they fix. What thing you do, Oka?
I don't do Oga anything, no. Why in the fix for me?
Ebikwe, you don't say now me you fit doctor now me fit help you. Tell me now, what thing you do, Oka? Because as I talk to you now, maram de Oka. If not, Oka for come outside, he come they tete you.
I don't remember, say I do amending. Everything way, I did do all my duty well. I did watch motor on time.
You know if you tell me say you know Oka anything for Oka to fix like that. Anyway, tell me say make I come here. You know say I be only housemaid for this house. Now the commandment God they give me now I me I go as it. He say make I tell you say make you kneel down, carry your hands up, cross your high.
Make I kneel down, carry one.
That's what you tell me or instead me say I tell you that one or say make I make sure say I don't see say you don't really kneel down, carry your hands up before I come up for you. And me I don't want me to punish you.
Why don't give me that kind of punishment? I don't do I don't do anything.
Okay, now why I go inside, go tell Oka say you talk say you don't do anything.
Yeah, come now. Which one be your own? I never talk say I don't go kneel down. You just don't go on the rush again. You won't go.
But you know, even round now, I beg, new round. In talk say man, see you with my 2 koro high. I beg, new round, I beg.
Ha! Now wow, this thing surprised me, sef. Go high.
You know go carry your hand up. You know go cross your high.
Make I close my eyes, close my eyes. The whole still saw this one because I'm small picking.
Make it here for the if though. So you say because say you will see us, no worry, man.
Hey, come in. Your own self too much.
You don't make me fix. You know they cross your eye, you cross your eye. I could tell okay, you obey am well. Say you obey in commandment. Make I go tell him. No stand no. Cross your eye. I still there you. Cross your eye. No, they don't listen to you.
Okay, I don't hear.
You just provoke that to eye tension now.
Is it?
Ibuka, I am talking to you. What's going on? Answer me.
She wouldn't take my calls since yesterday she left the house.
She left the house? To where?
She wouldn't tell me. She left the house without telling me where she's going.
So, you mean you don't know where she might be at?
I don't know. That's exactly what I'm telling you. I don't know. I've called her. She's not taking the calls. I don't know.
I know. I also tried calling her too, but I think we should go to the police. Yes.
Yeah,
maybe one will go to the police and then we can, declare her missing or something.
Thank you.
Numbers are even off. I can't reach her anywhere. At first, he wasn't taking the calls. Now he switched off. No. This. Same thing.